Abad Investments Group is a respected business conglomerate in Oman with a diverse portfolio of companies ranging from bottled water production to foods beverages distribution, mining, and property management. They've built an impressive portfolio. To streamline their operations, Abad sought a unified solution and Oracle NetSuite seemed a natural fit. With the help of KPI, their vision turns into reality. All functions such as sales, supply chain, accounts that worked in silos are now working on one single platform. With such automation, Abad can now focus on adding products, scaling up options, and expansion strategies rather than the unproductive reporting and control challenges that the company was facing earlier without NetSuite. Witness Abad Investments Group's transformation, a testament to how technology fuels success. With NetSuite, they've conquered complexity and reached new heights.
Barzman National is the largest producer and manufacturer of PET bottle drinking water in the Sultanate of Oman. The company's success is attributed to its commitment to providing customers with high-quality products and services that meet their evolving needs. With an ever-increasing customer database and growing facilities, Barzman National's quick expansion demonstrates the company's capacity to adapt and expand. With a focus on sustainable innovation and customer satisfaction, we continue to set the bar high when it comes to the quality in the bottled drinking water industry, providing fresh and clean water products to communities across the Sultanate.
We experienced a rapid growth with customers and facilities expanding over the years. We faced major challenges with our legacy system and reliance on giant Excel sheets, which resulted in loss of material, time, and visibility. Separate data silos were making it difficult to track entries of different departments and making our business processes inefficient. We needed an integrated real-time ERP system to help plan, merge, manage, and automate our business processes. That's when we turned to KPI and their implementation of NetSuite. KPI expertise in cloud-based ERP systems was important in helping us identify gaps in our current systems and develop a plan for a solution that would address our specific needs. For example, all the data like sales orders, item pricing, and inventory management had to be manually entered and tracked, which resulted in duplicates entries. With the implementation of NetSuite, we could automate, connect, and optimize processes from sales orders to inventory, purchasing, and billing. NetSuite served as the right platform for automating and streamlining our business processes. We could not be happier with the result of our partnership with KPI and NetSuite. We can improve our productivity, make data-driven decisions, and position ourselves for growth.